Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a clean with me video. This video is like a motivational video for you to clean your house. Babe, say hi. Just say hi. So we're going to start out with the parlor. I want to wash the curtains. Well, not the curtains. I want to wash the inner of the curtains. Then I'll do like a deep clean this house, because this house is very, very dirty. So yeah, let's get started. Before we start, please remember to like this video and comment and share this video with anybody that you know needs motivation to clean their house. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, these are the inners for the parlor and this other one for the room. So I'm going to be washing everything, but it is late in the night, so I'm going to wash them tomorrow morning. Time for me to clean this house, because this house is so dirty, like really, really dirty. So guys, I started off by sweeping the back of the couches, because a lot of dirt hide at the back of the couches. So always make sure you sweep behind your couches. You don't have to sweep behind every single time, but at least take once in a week to sweep behind your couches. Like, it is going to make a very big difference. And I always love to use broom whenever I am doing any household chores. I don't have a vacuum cleaner, and I am not really familiar with using those household brushes for sweeping. Okay, I am familiar with using brooms. So guys, after sweeping, I used this surface cleaner to clean the surfaces of this house. I used it for the center table, for the furnitures, because these furnitures are really, really expensive and you have to try your best to maintain them. Okay, so always make sure you use like a surface cleaner. I prefer using a surface cleaner compared to using detergent. Okay, a surface cleaner is just the best, and I really love this one that I got it from the supermarket, and I used it for the TV. I even used it for the doors too. Yeah. Next thing I did was to go ahead to give this house a thorough mop, because the season is Harmattan and it is so dusty, and this old house is just like very dusty. And the funny thing is, the cleaners mopped this house like a few days back, but then everywhere is still very dusty, so I had to like do it again by myself. Guys, there's no better way to end your cleaning than using a room deodorizer. Like, it changes everything. Now you guys can see how everywhere is looking good. Like, I'm so happy that the parlor is really clean. So guys, I'm going to start off by disposing all of these plates and just like kind of arrange everywhere. Next place I went ahead to clean was the kitchen, and it was around 2 a.m. I started my cleaning around 12 a.m. Cleaning the sitting room, and I went ahead to start cleaning up the kitchen around 2 a.m. okay, because that's the best time to, like, I feel like during the night when everybody is sleeping is the best time for you to like, clean. And I was up all night cleaning. Another thing I did was to wipe the walls, because the walls were filled with like food stains and food splashes from cooking. So I had to like clean the walls too. And this is something that I want to encourage everybody to do, because it's going to make your kitchen look good. And the next thing I went ahead to do was to use this Vim Power and Shine. Oh my god, guys, if you've been using detergent to clean your stove, please just try and get this Vim. Like, it passes through any grease and dissolves the grease. I really love it, and that was what I used to clean my stove top. It is so important to clean your stove top, because if you leave food particles on it, it's going to make your stove top look somehow, look bad, and also it is going to make everything, like it's going to make the iron and everything to rust. So you have to make sure you are cleaning after every night. Just clean when you are done cooking. Just make sure you clean your stove top. Like when you wake up in the morning, like you're just going to be energized, and you're just going to be very happy to start cooking. It's also very important to clean the inside of your microwave, because I know most of us have like microwaves, but we don't clean the inside. Take your time at least once a week to clean the insides of your microwave. It is really important. If you don't clean it, then to start rusting and to start getting bad. So you have to try your possible best, to clean your microwave, clean all the equipment in your kitchen, because it's going to make a huge difference, and it's going to make you feel good about your house and feel good about yourself. Another thing I went ahead to do was to clean the fridge. I clean my fridge like 3 or 4 times every week. Okay, guys, it's so important for you to clean your fridge. Like, it is so important. You don't want to start seeing food particles or dirt in your fridge. It's just better you clean your fridge. And my fridge didn't really have much dirt, because I already cleaned it, I think 2 days back, but I still went ahead again to clean it. It is so important, because if your house is so clean, like, you feel good about yourself, you feel good inviting people over and all. Okay, so next thing I went ahead to do was to give this kitchen a good sweep, because everywhere was like messed up and dirty from all the cleaning I have been doing. Hey guys, good morning. So it is like 9 a.m. after I finished cleaning the house yesterday. Not the house, after I finished cleaning the kitchen, I went to sleep, and I slept like 4:30 a.m. So I'm awake now. I have some more things to do today. I want to do the laundry and arrange my wigs, okay? So yeah, so let's go. Let's go. So guys, I am about to do the laundry right now. I'm about to wash the curtains, like the inner of the curtains I removed yesterday night. Let me show you guys the curtains. These are all the inner of the curtains. You can see that they are very dirty. This mop was from yesterday. No, not yesterday, from early this morning. So I had to rinse all the soap out and dry it, because you don't want to you don't want to leave your mop in a dirty water and leave it. Okay, so I washed it and I dried it before I took it back inside the house. I don't know about you guys, but I really love to add some comfort fabric softener to my clothes. Whenever I'm washing, I always add this. And because of the type of washing machine I have to add my comfort when it is time to rinse, the last circle of rinsing. So yeah, comfort just makes your clothes to smell nice. And I added it. It's a fabric softener and it is really good. It helps prevent your clothes from tearing, and it just makes everything nice. Comfort is one of the reasons why I love to do the laundry, to be honest. And when everything was dried, I put back all the curtains. And yeah guys, that was it for the video. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. There are so many other places to clean, like the toilet, the rooms and all of that, but I did not want to make this video too long, and probably in another video I'll do another cleaning motivation for your rooms and for your bathrooms and all the products that you can use. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope this video was a motivation to someone to clean their own space. I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.